Well, it's February, we've got another container on its way. That means we get our little sample pack down and it's time for another unboxing. G'day, my name's Greg. I'm the chief nerd here at Authentic Collectables. And today we're doing another unboxing. For those of you who are just tuning in, when we get a container coming down from the factory, they send us a bunch of production samples down so that we've got cars to do advertising, stuff like that, licensing issues and all that sort of stuff, and it's our first chance to really get a look at the cars that are actually coming down to the container. So we do this so that you guys get to come along for the ride and see what we see for the first time. So without messing around anymore, let's put visors on and get stuck in, shall we? Right, well, there we go. Something for everybody there. We've got a couple of supercars, a couple of road cars, all Fords, so it's a little Ford focused. Anyway, enough funny stuff. Let's go in for a bit of a deep dive, shall we? Right, so first cab off the rank is this Tickford Racing Ford S50 GT Mustang, as driven by Declan Fraser and Tyler Everingham in the 2023 Bathurst 1000. I'm actually pretty happy with this car. The coloration is pretty damn good. That Money Me on the bonnet absolutely pops like it should. I quite like the tradie cars. I think they're kind of fun. This thing's got covered in beer cans across the roof. These cars are always a standout, and this one especially was in 2023. Yeah, let's go and have a look at another Tickford car now. Okie doke, this time we've got the Snowy River Caravans GT Mustang as driven by James Courtney for Tickford Racing in 2023. Now when we advertise these cars, we tend to do them as a championship season livery. This car is actually based on the Bosch Power Tools Perth Super Sprint in 2023. We tend to pick around for a season livery. Perth just happened to be a good one because we could nick down and actually look at the car for real. I really like the Snowy River cars. They just tend to stand out a lot more than most of the other cars on track. This is no exception. It's definitely a pretty loud car. I still quite like them anyway. If you're a bit of a James Courtney fan, this is definitely one to get. Let's go and have a look at a couple of road cars now, shall we? Okay, this time we've got a sealed body resin Ford GT Mustang with a bit of an accent across the top of it, reminiscent of your Monaro GTS stripes. This is a carbonized grey, metallic grey base with the black stripes over the top. This is sort of a halfway between your street custom, which is actually a bit of a modified car, and one that's pretty well stock as a rock. We saw this kicking around a few years ago and decided this is actually a really cool car to do, and so we've modelled it, and now you can have it. As always, this is a sealed body resin model, so that means the doors don't open. Not that that's a big deal for me. I actually think that you get better scale fidelity out of a resin model than you do out of a die-cast car. Still, very cool looking car. I love carbonized grey as a colour. I've used it on other projects in the past. So yeah, I'm quite happy to see this. Let's go and have a look at a Raptor now. And here we have the Ford Ranger Raptor in true red. This is sort of completing the suite of colours that the Ranger Raptors came in for this model. You can see there's a bunch up there. There's actually the decorated sample that we get before we get the production sample up there as well. And you can see they're almost identical because this car is pretty well spot on. We'll be doing a few more of these, but ultimately, yeah, we're kind of getting to the end of it. We've done almost all of the colours that the Ranger Raptors came in. These are always a great model in terms of detail. There's a lot going on. If you're a bit of a fan of Raptors, get yourself one of these. They are very cool. Right, well, there you go. That's your lot for this month. As always, these cars are pretty well on their way now. They'll be appearing in stores over the next month or so. As per usual, if you've already registered your interest with us, you'll get an email when they're about to be released. If you pre-ordered with your stockist, no doubt you'll have, however you sort that out, underway. As always, like and subscribe and all that other guff that we do here on YouTube. And I'll see you on the next one, which should be in about a month. Take it easy, guys. Bye.